Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to our story session. In my previous story session, we had already came to know about the dog and the thief who was standing behind the kitchen window, and he asked the dog that he want to enter the house. For that, he said that he will give the dog few more pieces of meat so that the dog should not bark when he will enter the house. But I did not finish the story on that session. So here I am back with the next part of the story. So let's begin. Soon the dog replied to the thief, "I don't need your meat. Keep away from this house." The thief did not listen. Instead, he threw the juicy piece of meat inside the kitchen and said, "Oh, come on, I will give you 2 big juicy meat pieces just for you. Here." And threw another 2 pieces of meat. The dog replied, "I don't want your meat. This is my master's house. You should leave." Hearing these sounds coming from the kitchen, the dog's master woke up. He came down to the kitchen soon. He asked, "What's going on over here? Who is here?" Hearing the master of the house, the thief quickly ran away. The master saw the pieces of meat and understood what had happened. He was very happy with his dog. He smiled and said to the dog, "You are such a good boy. You are really such a good dog too. You didn't let the thief to come inside the house, though he offered you such good meat. I will reward you soon. I will reward you with more meat for this loyal act of yours." So, what did we learn, children, from this story? That we should be loyal always to everyone, just like the dog was loyal to his master. And thus, the dog, through this act, he protected his house from the thief. So, I hope you all have enjoyed this story. I will see you all on my next session. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye.